Hello and welcome back to the Binding of Isaac Rebirth with me, Voidtalon. Last run, we demolished Satan as Samson of all characters, so now we get to do Azazel or Lazarus. Let's just keep going around the thing. We're going to do an Azazel run today. Azazel starts out with Lord of the Pit and Brimstone. He just doesn't actually have them. Oh, and I'm going to start saying this. I will try to remind myself to say this, but for this run, the seed is going to be EXGAJGC0, if you want to play with me. Mongo Baby. Mongo Baby, when you don't have any other familiar, will fire normal tiers. Mongo Baby has twice the rate of most other familiars. If gotten with other familiars, Mongo Baby will fire their tiers. I just like Mongo Baby because he fires at a good rate. As you might have noted in a few runs back with Mongo Madness, Mongo Baby actually was our only source of moderate damage upgrade for the first part of the game that actually saved the run. So I have a special place in my heart for Mongo Baby. Am I a wizard? I don't know. Am I? No, I'm not. Are You a Wizard does not work with Brimstone. And it looks like they properly split Gemini's health. Toothpicks, that's not going to do anything other than make us charge faster. And apparently close our eyes behind... Okay, what the... That's weird. Okay. I have with me some iced tea today. Awesome thing about Azazel is he can go straight for boss rooms, and I don't even mind doing them. Because they're just fun to do. Azazel is a fun character to play. The short-range nature of Brimstone makes him a lot more fun to play than a normal character with Brimstone. Because Brimstone by itself, you know, I'm in the camp that loves and hates Brimstone. I love it because Brimstone's a lot of fun to use, makes us feel powerful, but I also hate it because it makes runs uninteresting. Because Brimstone runs inherently become about standing at the corner of the room like this and just going across the whole screen. That's all you really do. Oh, and I wanted to check something. I wanted to see how this was. Nah, I like it the way it is. At 2. I'm perfectly audible with 2. And I'm not doing anything else. Now, Mongo Baby for us here is really only going to be auxiliary damage. He's not going to be a primary source because Azazel is strong enough. Got a Tinted Rock here. Get a Spirit Heart. Item room that we can't reach yet. There's the item room we can now reach, so we're going to hit this. Get a couple pills. Tears down, and bad trip, wow. Not a good set. So I'm back to normal Brimstone. We get Lard, now we have HP up. We can trade with Satan now. I'm not a fat Azazel. Oh, shoot! I didn't realize you were still alive, you little loser. Isn't there a Tinted Rock right here? Oh! And we get another item room. Whoop. And it's the Peeper. Another item I don't usually care for, but we're gonna go with it. We'll take Peeper today. Coat Hanger! I've done a little Brimstone run with Azazel, but... do I... Why not? We'll take Little Brimstone this time, just because I'm already Mr. Brimstone, so now we have double the Brimstone. We have short range and long range. So why not? I'm still going to spend more time aiming myself than aiming Little Brimstone. Little Brimstone there is just to make my punches pack more punch. And that's it. Well, now you're never going to come out. I don't like hosts, especially the walking kind. They're just obnoxious. Get Brother Bobby. Whoop-de-doo. So now you can see that Mongo Baby has not replaced either Brother Bobby or Little Brimstone in terms of effects because, well, they're identical. Now, it is possible to die as Azazel. It doesn't usually happen, but oddly enough, we are accumulating quite the train of familiars. And I'm playing terribly. Get a shot. I can see what this is. Broken Watch. Whatever that does. I actually have no clue what Broken Watch does. I guess it made them slow. Kind of broke that boss there. Krampus! Hi, boyo. Think we have enough brimstone here? I actually don't know how this run's gonna go. Azazel's fun, but you get cocky, you die. It's just what happens with him. Wait, what the? What happened to the music? It's like off-pitched. And there we go. From bad playing. You can die even as Azazel. Mom's Bra. Free mass fear, i.e. freeze enemies. Could be useful. Let's see what we have in this room. Get a Hyper Troll Bomb. I'm gonna fool my way out of there. Pills. Tears down already. I don't have any bombs to deal with that tinted rock. Ow! What have I said to myself countless times about running into a room, firing like a maniac? It's a great way to get you killed. Still does. You just take stupid damage. Stupid damage you don't need to take. This is kind of cheating. This is really kind of cheating. I get Squeezy counteracts that tears down I picked up earlier and makes me look very derpy and kind of weird. I like the old Squeezy graphic for some reason. I don't like the new one. God, I hate those spiders because it's just at the edge of my range. There's another tinted rock right here. Boom! Still no keys for either of these two doors here. Kind of saddening. Well, speaking of keys, we go ahead and get a golden key. So let's go hit this item room up. Mongo Baby again! This game seems to love giving us Mongo Baby. I don't mind Mongo Baby, because of his high fire rate. It's nice to have something that can do a little damage while we're running around spitting brimstone everywhere. Okay. Whoops. That's gonna leave Pin in the ground, isn't it? No, it's not. It's not even gonna affect him. Screw you, Pin. And... oh. I don't think that's gonna do anything. Just give me kind of a red, blood red laser instead of like an old dried blood. I don't know why I did that. I didn't get the tinted rock. This is kind of silly playing that's gonna get me absolutely murdered later on. Catacombs. Needed that key. Ow! You meanie! Okay. And finally a Parsley Dead Larry Jr., which is not it. Full health! That's gonna do loads of things when I have no health. Just get another bomb for in case of Tinted Rock. In case of Tinted Rock, try bomb. Such blast, much bomb. I totally botched that meme, but whatever. Next room. And there's some bad damage. Ow! Turned around at the wrong time. Eternal Heart. This is like this is going very much like the last run. But as you can see, Mongo Baby has copied Harlequin Baby. Well, at least I have some hit points now. So yeah, I can deal with 2 Harlequin Babies. It works. Curse of the Lost. Ugh. Well, at least I get some bombs out of it. Forgot those were going to be closed now that I have health. Ouch! Nice to have so many shots going in the air, though. Oh god, not this room. Well, that's that. Looks like we're gonna be going to Shoal. Okay, that'll let us know where secret rooms are. There's one right here. Regular secret room. Lemon Party is a good pill to have in rotation. There we go, that's what I needed. We got the item room right here, which is always good. We get piggy bank. Get some more money every time we're hit, which, since I seem to be playing kind of badly, we are getting hit a lot. Kill some globins, don't get spat on by the toxic globins. They aren't toxic globins, but they spit ipecac shots, and I don't like them. There's a lot of enemies I don't like. Where's the boss? That's what, well, speak of the boss, and it will appear. We're all good to go. Who are we fighting? We're fighting the Hollow. Jesus Juice and a double room. Little Brimstone. And a Mega Troll Bomb. The Dash is still alive! Do I want to try to hark the Guppy's tail? Nope, I'm done. I don't much care for Little Brimstone anymore. That's my biggest thing about Little Brimstone. I just don't like it. People will be like, Voidtalon, you're crazy, Little Brimstone's just Brimstone. Well, it's a tiny Brimstone, and 2, I've already got Brimstone. I don't need another. Got some money out of that due to piggy bank, but nah, not worth it. This will be a shoal run if I don't completely botch it all like that. This is going from good to bad to worse to worse. It's kind of ridiculous how bad this is getting. This is actually getting very bad, very fast, and I don't like it. Okay. This room would suck if I couldn't fly. Like, I need to start remembering that I can fly and exploiting that. I very much need to start remembering that. No, I'm the one with Brimstone in this game. Well, here's the boss. Run the item room yet? Not yet. We're doing great on time. Now if only I can do better on, you know, not dying so much. Wait a minute. What am I gonna do with item martyr? I don't have a item worth martyring. I'll take the heart, thanks, but still, I don't have an item worth murdering. Game just don't like me today. It's like, here, have an Azazel. Now that you're finally on your Azazel runs, well, that looks great now. I'm the Nun of Infamy. I mean, what am I supposed to do here? Although I will admit, that looks really kind of creepy. Mask of Infamy just blurred. God, if Mask of Infamy had a short-range brimstone that it could use as an attack, that would be really scary. That'd be like really, really, really scary. You get Capricorn. All stats up is alright. Wait, what? Game? Ugh, Curse of the Lost. Curse of the Lost, why you do this? Okay, so we get the compass. Might as well donate another 10 cents, or I'll just break the machine on the second hit. In that case, I might as well just bomb you. And get Steam Sale. Well then. Boom! Game! Oh yeah. What hit me? What hit me? The poop? Did I poop bloody poop? Did I poop bloody poop? No, I didn't poop bloody poop. Why did I take bloody poop damage? There was no blood in my feces. Ah. Game. Stop teleporting me. Thank you. Thanks you, Loki, for landing on me. I will take my money and I will get off of this floor! Jeez. Sometimes this game does not like the player. Ow. Well, thank you, Item Martyr, for giving me a free one of these. Donation machine's busted, so I can't do anything with all the stupid amounts of money I'm getting. Well, the item room's up here, so that gives me one direction. I don't much care for the mysterious candy. I really don't. I'm like on Isaac base health right now. Okay, so the item room is up here. I can just fly around this and grab the card, which doesn't do anything for me. Just gives me a purple laser. Boom! Never good, never bad. Brimstone spiders are always bad. Spirit Heart, sure. Key, sure. Pay to play is just... it's just bad. It does such negligible damage that this isn't barely even worth mentioning. Certainly isn't worth dropping an item for, even one like Mom's Bra. Which is not a bad item. I give Mom's Bra less credit than it deserves. I really do. Ow! What's with the hollow? I gotta speed up. Guppy's Paw, which I'm not gonna use. Is there anything run saving in here? That's Mulligan Shot, which makes us spawn spiders when we kill something. Bob's Brain, which is terrible. Mysterious Liquid, which I don't know what it does in conjunction with Brimstone, but I'm not going to fight 12 bosses to find out. Then we have Anemic, which makes us bleed out blood when we get hit. Now, this really isn't worth it, but it could be worth it based on what I get at the end. Fuck it, I want to see the synergy. Apparently the synergy is you're just going to take retarded damage and glow. There is no synergy here. There's just nothing to be gained here at all. This is just a bad synergy. I took a risk. I'm being punished for it. And this is going to be one annoying boss rush. Ow! If I'm lucky, I'll heal enough to not lose right here. Or, you know, I could just nearly die right off the start. I could do that. Okay, there's Peep's eye floating out there. We picked up the peeper, did we not? Is that my peeper or his peeper? I can't tell anymore. Okay, of the two here, Loki and Blastocyst both suck in different respects. Blastocyst is a little bit easier to kill. Kill that, so I don't instant die later. Not looking forward to fighting the Mask of Infamy, or Death. Death and War is not a good combination either. Let's kill off Larry Jr.'s first, since that was the champion version of him. Oh boy. That could have been a little on the bad side. I'm gonna let my familiars do some damage here. Should have let Larry Jr. do more pooping. Ow! Okay, Monstro has painted himself as my kill target. Come on, Monstro. Wait, what? What hit me and why? Oh, that's right, you poop. You poop flies. Please give me something useful. Like a soul heart. Okay, Monstro 2 is dead. That's the easier, that's the harder one to kill. Well, I found out that there is no item synergy to be had with Mysterious Liquid and Brimstone. I hope you take this as a good lesson, that my pain is what you will be getting for this. And I apologize if there have been moments where I have not been talking that much. This is crazy. Oh god, Pin! Oh wait, no, it's fine. Pin can't reach me. Neither can Widow. Okay. Ow! I'll just be over here then. That half heart of HP, because you're gonna need it. Stop spitting bomb flies. Bloat. Not bloat, not green bloat of all bloats. Stop it, green bloat. I don't like you. Okay, green bloat is dead. Where is Infamy's heart? It's the champion version that fires homing tears. Okay, we're down to the mask. Okay, there goes that. Famine, I'm not too worried about. Just another one that charges all the time. Any other half hearts lying around that I can use? Like a full heart. Death is a bigger problem. Okay, death is dead. Oh my lord, remind me never to do this again. I do not like this. I do not like this, Sam. Okay, death's horse is dead. Now to work on war. Holy god. Why did I choose to do this? Why did I choose to do this? Why did I choose to do this? Am I stupid? Okay, war, you're off your horse. Please die. Yes, get sad. Now die. I should kill the Headless Horseman first because he's easier to kill than the Fallen. Or he's more of an issue to kill than the Fallen, I should say. Although I think the Fallen just did that for me. I don't think there's a Headless Horseman head to kill anymore. Oh! Oh my goodness! And I get Little Chubber out of the whole thing. Can I get anything but familiars? I didn't use Mom's bra the whole entire time. Okay, we're gonna go now. I should have gotten Guppy's paw. I really should have. I'm gonna just take a guess as to what direction I'm supposed to go here. And we're gonna hope that we can get through the room. With 3 HP. HP by which I will die very easily. I mean, we have a fairly strong arsenal, but we're pretty weak. We're actually very weak. Get out of Mom's breasts and die. Okay, boss time. Death. Let's get a bandage ball, which will do something for me. I get 3 black hearts from buying ceremonial robes. I'll do it. I will do it. 1 HP for 2 extra HP, even if it's only temporary, is good. Looks like we're going to be going down. Oh my lord. So many leeches. This is the room of leeches! And now it's a room of nothing. Because I got hit. I'm hoping this is the way to the boss. Do-do-do. At least I've got a decent chance of defeating Mom's head. Mom's head? Oh no! How did I let that hit me? Oh, it blew up. Well, here we go. Mom's heart. Here's my kill chance. Oh my god, I actually blocked damage from Mom's heart. No! We're almost dead! Woo! We are not doing Shoal with 2 HP. There ain't no way in heck I'm doing Shoal with 2 HP. This run is not that powerful. Oh my god. Oh. God. I know I would have still unlocked the quarter if I'd gone to Shoal, but that was not gonna work. My goodness. I do wonder if this is like the old one, where it'll actually list all the items' names. There's just so many more people here. And that woodgy stuff. Special thanks. Okay, nope, just that. Well, that was Lazarus. Not Lazarus. Lazarus is next. That was Azazel. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.